From Highlandtown to Greektown, Baltimore's 1st District is perhaps the most diverse district in the city. And for the past 8 years, former school teacher Zeke Cohen has represented the district in Baltimore's City Council.
To me, it is a city on the brink of a renaissance.
Cohen has been one of the more active legislators on the council. In the past 4 years, he's proposed 152 ordinances. 92 have passed. He's proposed 190 resolutions. 115 of them have passed. One measure requires the police department to have at least 2 staffers trained in trauma-informed care. He's a chief proponent of bringing mental health professionals into the realm of law enforcement.
In a lot of cases where we see folks who are struggling with schizophrenia or other mental health disorders, it doesn't always make sense to have the police officer be in the lead. We want to have someone who can help, who can support, who can de-escalate a tense situation.
But lately, one of his district's most historic communities has been plagued with problems. In Fells Point, businesses have shut down as police struggle to control late-night crowds and illegal alcohol.
I am really proud of some of the work that we've been able to do, and that some of the work that the police department is starting to do in issuing citations, but that took way too long. There has to be a consequence when someone breaks the law.
As a former teacher in the city school system, Cohen has long endorsed universal pre-K citywide and air conditioning in every classroom.
So for me, it is about making smart, strategic, thoughtful investments in the public school system.
I'm wondering, if there's so much progress, why doesn't every school still have air conditioning?
Look, I know that the city school system has been working hard to close that gap, but any school that lacks AC and has to push back the start of the year is completely unacceptable.
Why hasn't that been a priority?
I would argue that we do need an even stronger sense of urgency around this issue.
As Councilman Cohen says, he successfully completed more than 5,200 requests from constituents.
Let's get this done.
And after winning the Democratic primary to become the next city council president, his focus is on creating more effective government, from police recruitment.
I want to make sure that we are recruiting from within our city.
To the leader of the city's school system.
I want someone who will take it to the next level.
Cohen sees change, but not when it comes to the size of the city council. In November, voters will decide whether to shrink the 15-member council to 8.
To dramatically cut the council, I think would create chaos, and I think would just lead to worse city services.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.